5 simple tips for fitness success. One. Exercise daily for at least an hour. You do not have to kill yourself from running, jogging, etc. For example, go for an hour-long walk at a fast pace. Or, you can jog and plan to sprint at certain times during the hour. After each workout, make sure to drink water, stretch, and eat foods with a good amount of protein. 2. Eat the right foods and portion each meal. If you want to get in shape, the best things to eat are fruits and vegetables. Also, make sure to measure what you eat. Try to plan to eat 6 small meals a day instead of 3 big ones. 3. Keep track of calories and food intake per day. Keeping track of how many calories you eat in a day will help you plan how much exercise you will do. 4. Be sure to get sleep. 6 to 8 hours of sleep will keep your body going all day, but if you feel tired when you get home from work, feel free to take a short nap before you work out. 5. Stay motivated. Setting goals and keeping a positive attitude are important parts of staying in shape.